Ukushaya indlabu vele into emnandi. Kumnandi ukushaya indlabu and sonke siyakwenza lokho. Ukushaya indlabu kumnandi kakhulu ngoba vele awuncengi umuntu, awulimazi umuntu, yinto nje oyenza uwedwa in private and uthole leyo release ujabule mhlawumbe olale noma you carry on with the rest of your life. And if that's how you feel and you are fine with ukushaya indlabu, that's fine. But kunabantu abaningi abangasathandi ukushaya indlabu. And le video le eyabo. If ufuna ukuyeka ukushaya indlwabu and you don't even know where to start namhlanje udinga ama-tips ambalwa, kukhona izinto engifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngazo namhlanje engifuna ukutshela ukuthi uzicabange before uyenze leyo ndlwabu noma mhlawumbe uyishaye leyo ndlwabu. And mind you, I don't come here as someone who's judging you. I don't come here as someone who's looking down on you. I'm coming to you as someone who is understanding where you are because ama-addiction ayahluka. Khona abantu aba-addicted to ama-drugs, khona abantu aba-addicted to alcohol, khona abantu aba-addicted to gambling, khona abantu aba-addicted to many different things. Eyakho ne-addiction ukuthi nje ushaye indlwabu. I want you to think of many different things. Number one, indlwabu ngicela uyicabange as isitha esithatha confidence yakho. Indlwabu becomes a replacement for you going out and finding amanye ama-sexual partners. And then every time we shaya le ndlabu yakho namhlanje uyenza, you end up not feeling confident because whether you like it or not, umbuzo uzovuka ekhanda ukuthi, why am I doing this to myself? This is a pleasure noma lobo ubumnandi ekumele ngibuthole nomunye umuntu. The fact that ngilana I'm doing it by myself is not nice. So every time you think of indlwabu, always think of something that drops your confidence. Because ungasuyiyeka yona leyo ndlwabu and then you go out to find actual sexual partners, you will end up feeling more confident because you are able to see results because as abantu we are social beings, so abanye abantu siyabadinga. So indlwabu is a constant reminder ukuthi when you're unable to find umuntu. Number two, indlwabu it promotes laziness. Again, umuntu ongekho lazy, umuntu ongakwazi ukuvuka ahamba ayothola ama-sexual partners, umuntu ongamindi ukuvuka ahamba ayosocialize, umuntu ongamindi ukuthi asuke embhedeni wakhe and then go interact with other people and actually work to get ubumnandi. Indlwabu just needs you to uhamba ungena etoilet noma ulele embhedeni wenze lento oyenza. It means you're lazy. It doesn't mean ukuthi you are lazy. Yile addiction yakho epromota laziness. Again, see it as an enemy, drop confidence yakho, and the enemy ekwenza ube lazy. Number three, ngicela indlwabu uyicabange as something that brings unrealistic pleasure. At the end of the day, if ubhizi ngesandla sakho, isandla sakho, you can always adjust ukuthi si-tight kangakanani, si-loose kangakanani, si-fast kangakanani, ama-angles esandla sakho, i-movement yesandla sakho, and akukho realistic, akuyona i-pleasure e-realistic le. Njalo, if sofuna uku-interacta nomunye umuntu, you will never be fully fulfilled. Why? Because wena usojwayele esandla sakho. You'll never ever be happy if usuhlangana nabanye abantu, which is unnatural. Njalo bocabanga ngendlwabu, always think of this thing that promotes unrealistic pleasures in your head. This is another thing that I want you to think about. Indlwabu will always promote you to be lonely. Phela wena bese ushaya indlwabu, and when you are happy doing indlwabu, you never feel the need to go out anymore hamba ufuna abanye abantu ozokwazi ukuzijabulisa nabo. Mina indlwabu ngiyibona njengama-dating apps. Ama-dating apps angiwaphasisi because akakunikezi leyo motivation ukuthi uphume endlini uhambe ufuna abanye abantu. No, ama-dating apps, number two, they give you these unrealistic perceptions ukuthi uhlale endlini, just swipe left or right. It's unrealistic expectations, it's unrealistic exposure, and akakutrain ukuthi usocialize nabanye abantu. It's the same thing with indlwabu. What indlwabu does is that it makes you feel a pleasure, a temporary, that keeps you lonely from other people because you only need yourself to get it. But ungasiyeke ungeke uzohlala netswayi endlini, you'll end up waking up and going to other people and meeting them. And another thing, this is the most important part. This is the most important part out of this video. If une partner endlini engafuni ukukunikeza ubumnandi, and then you end up having to fall for indlwabu, and you always have to end up you have to do indlwabu eduze kwabo, namhlanje uhambe ebathroom uyoshaya leyo ndlwabu, sifike isikhathi sokuthi umshiye. Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi umshiye because the main reason we end up getting ama-sexual romantic partners is the sexual reason itself. Zonke ezinye izinto uyakwazi ukuzenza nomndeni. Uyakwazi ukumhaga umuntu osemndenini, uyakwazi ukumxhawula umuntu osemndenini, uyakwazi ukumtshela ama-secrets umuntu osemndenini, open up athi yena. When you're feeling tired, you cuddle to them. The one thing you cannot do with umuntu osemndenini is ama-sexual acts. What is the use of being with a sexual partner but you can't do sexual acts with them? My name is Coach Noni. Please like this video. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think about this topic. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Follow this page. Bye.